Hello, I'm back. I thought I would make a little prayer pocket with y'all with these things that we made from the kits. And we're going to add another one on the front. So here we go. Oop, that one got dried out. I remember now I left the lid off. So we're going to use these. Nice and wet. Okay, I'm going to put this on here. Actually, I want to put it farther down because I want to cut off the edge at the top. Make it nicer for the recipient. And go ahead and cut it, I think. Now I'm going to give it a jagged edge, but not quite as jagged as it was. This is for a lady that's going through cancer. It's related to another lady in our church. I've been writing her, so I thought that would be a great thing to do. Send her this encouraging little homemade parcel with things in it that she can write on. Put in there so she can see that through there. This one, I think she can write on it. I put lines on it like you can. If not, that's okay too. She can have something to fiddle around with. And look at. Don't know about this. It doesn't really match the colors, the orangey colors. Of course, I could do something to it, maybe to help it match. If I could find my orange. Yeah, hold on. My arm's right in front of the screen. If you haven't noticed. Ha ha ha. Okay. Let's see if this helps anything. Might ruin the whole thing. Hope not. Just gonna rub some on. Give it some orange. Because it's kind of an orangey rose on the front. Okay. Take it back in. Face palm. Just kidding. And then I'm going to rub all that in with my other dauber. I'm going to add some Distress Oxide ink from Temples. And just a scruffy look. I think I'm going to put some on the back. And then we're going to glue it on somewhere nice like that. then we have all our little pretties in there. I might write a note on the back. This one, just to make sure it works for her. I've got a marker that should do it. Just write her a little greeting. Uh-oh. My marker quit working, I think. Yeah, it's not working. I'll find another marker before I give it to her and write her a greeting. Now we're going to ink up here with our teal again. Like so. I think I want to pull it up this time. I'm just going all the way around. Then I'm gonna hit that a little bit. And go on the edges here. And just give it some color. I think I will write her name on it too. Right in here. We have some bling. Maybe I'll add that. I gotta make more 3D. Or it just doesn't seem like it's finished. Yeah, like that. And we need our tacky glue for that. Okay. Maybe I will send it through the mail. So now I like to find something in my mailbox and it just encourages me. So I'll just get it into a bigger envelope if I can. If not, I'll hand it to her sister. I think I will put a little fudge in there. Where did I put it? There it is. dry stuff is coming on. The skin. Okay, there's that. Let that dry. I think I'll put some on here too, because my glue podge is good, but it doesn't make it real durable for the outside of something. I'm just going to be careful not to lay it down. If it lays down, then it will stick. I like doing it with this thing because it keeps you from using too much. Guess the antennas will have to go get done later. Alright. I think it's looking really good. It still needs to dry a little bit. That one's too dry. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to show you today. You can still like maybe put some of that on. Every time I say that, I think of something to do. It's all in my mind, right? Let's put the end of that one. Grab another one back in here. I think I missed a spot. It's bubbling up. Oh, I know why it's bubbling up. It has two sides to it. Oops. Oh no, now it's sticking to me. Pastor's wife mishaps. Okay, nearly done. Maybe I'll just leave it like that. Okay. Now, what else? Need something to balance it. Aha! Hopefully it won't stick to me again. I'm on the video. Well, the troops are getting restless. I better hurry up this video. Okay, we're about done. Nice and dry on that. Going in. Alright. No, we don't want to do that. And there's our beautiful envelope. Just use your imagination. You can do something prettier than mine, I guess. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.